I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study notes. First, understand the purpose of your notes. Are they for a test, a project, or general knowledge? Then organize them logically, perhaps by topic or date, for easy access. A quick review within 24 hours of taking notes significantly boosts retention, helping your brain solidify new information. This initial step is crucial for effective learning. Next, engage in active recall, a powerful method for strengthening memory. Convert your notes into questions and quiz yourself to test your understanding. Create flashcards for key terms and concepts, practicing retrieval regularly. Try summarizing entire sections of your notes in your own words without peeking. This reveals what you truly know and where you need more focus. Now, let's talk about spaced repetition and elaboration. Revisit your notes at increasing intervals, say, after 1 day, 3 days, and then a week, to improve long-term retention. Connect new information to what you already know, building a richer understanding. Creating diagrams or mind maps from your notes helps visualize relationships, making complex topics much clearer and easier to remember. Finally, apply and consolidate your learning. Practice applying concepts from your notes to solve problems or answer questions, reinforcing your understanding. A highly effective method is to teach the material to someone else. This immediately highlights any gaps in your knowledge. Regularly review all your notes before major assessments to ensure everything is consolidated and ready for recall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.